right, Vanessa, time to spill the beans. This house won't last long.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
But first, coffee.
So this is a house so sweet. It's the perfect blend of charm and comfort. This dining room is so great, isn't it?
Absolutely. So nice.
I love the coffee bar, super cute. I could definitely see someone enjoying this on a daily basis. I'm enjoying this.
Yes.
And this house, believe it or not, is almost 3,000 square feet, and that doesn't even count the basement.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's got a lot of updates too. Do you want to hear about them?
Yeah.
So everything has been updated in the past few years. The roof, brand new. The hot water tank, brand new. The dishwasher, brand new.
Wow.
Even the carpet is only a couple years old. So literally somebody could just come right in, make themselves at home, and have some coffee.
Kit, don't you think this is a kitchen that you can brew up something special every day?
I like what you did there, and absolutely. And Vanessa, wouldn't you agree this living room is just brewing with possibilities?
Oh yeah,
100%.
100%.
And wouldn't you agree that we found a place so warm and inviting for your morning cup of joe?
Absolutely. Kit, let's espresso how amazing this suite is.
Absolutely. You know I love a good espresso. So this kitchen is fantastic. So you've already got the plumbing up here, but if we take you through this way, you've actually got a half bathroom off this bedroom. So you could also add a full shower, and now you have an ensuite.
Absolutely.
Use it for yourself or start making income.
Are you looking for a home with character?
This one's got the grounds for excitement. So if you're looking to move to Elyria, Ohio, this home has it all. Reach out to one of us today and we'll be sure to make you a cup of joe.